Good morning, students. Till now, we have completed chapter number 1 and chapter number 2. Chapter number 2 is very much important of your standard 9 and it will be also important for standard 10. Now, we are moving on chapter number 3, that is coordinate geometry. It is very easy chapter, but before starting with this chapter, we need to understand some of the important and basic terms related to the coordinate geometry. You all know what is geometry, right? So now, first of all, we will understand some of the notes. You have to write all the notes in your notebook. But first of all, understand this all note. Now, you know, if we want to visit some unknown person's home or house, or if you say a pizza boy want to deliver a pizza on basis of his order, so what is the first requirement? So a pizza boy should know the address, right? So if I want to go to deliver the pizza on that house, so that house was mapped, right? You know, and you all are using Google Map, clear? So first of all, we need to know the address. Now, for finding the address, what is, if I give you one example of address, like if I give you one example that Shraddha House 118, street number 15, street number 2. So if I am having the exact location, then only I can visit that house and deliver the pizza. So these all are based on coordinate geometry. You have seen in an army or in a navy, the missiles are located from the plane. So first of all, they locate the target on the land, and then they will fire the missile, and the missile is programmed like that it will hit the target only. Right? So these all concepts are of the chapter coordinate geometry. Now, first of all, to locate the position of an object, if you want to locate the position of the object or a point in a plane, now what is plane? I have written all these things in a board, so I can say this is a plane. If you painting on a wall, that means that wall is a plane. So to locate the position of an object, if I want to locate the position of an object or a point in a plane, what we require? We require two perpendicular lines. Right? Perpendicular lines means this one is. So these two perpendicular lines, that means if they make angle 90 degree, then it is called perpendicular lines. One of them is horizontal. This line is horizontal and this line is vertical. Right? Now the plane is called the Cartesian plane. So by using these two perpendicular lines, we got one plane. So this plane is called Cartesian plane, right? Or coordinate plane. The another name of Cartesian plane is coordinate plane. See, this chapter, we don't have much sum in this chapter. So I will ask MCQs, blanks, true or false. So these all theories are important. I will ask most of the questions from these theories. So by one horizontal line and one vertical line, one plane is created. That plane is called the Cartesian plane. The other name of the Cartesian plane is coordinate plane. And these lines are called coordinate axis. So these lines are called coordinate axis. This is your x-axis and this is your y-axis. Right? The horizontal line is for x-axis and the vertical line is for y-axis. Now, the coordinates axis divide the plane into four parts. This called quadrants. We know this is a plane. If I draw these two lines, it will be 4 parts. This one is 1, this one is 2, this one is 3, and this one is 4. So these 4 parts are called quadrant. So 4 quadrants I am having. This is quadrant 1, this is quadrant 2, this is quadrant 3, this is quadrant 4. Right? So we will have some of the questions related to quadrants also. The points of intersection of the axis is called the origin. Now if these axes are intersects at O, so this is called origin. This is called origin. Right? And now the origin, coordinates of the origins are 0, 0, because this point is 0 on x-axis and on y-axis, so it is called 0, 0. The distance of a point from the y-axis is called its x-coordinate or abscissa. Now, if I take a point here, right? So the distance of a point from y-axis, this distance from y-axis, this distance is called its x-coordinate. Like for example, this is 1, 2, 3. I am having here 3. So this is called its, I can write this is 3. The distance of a point from the y-axis is called its x-coordinate, and the abscissa. The another is abscissa. That means from y-axis is here. So if this one is 3, then I can write 3 is here. The distance of the point from the x-axis, if I am having this one is 2, so that is 2. So this is called your abscissa. This is called abscissa, and this is called your ordinates. So this type of blanks also asked in exam, that the distance of a point from the y-axis is called its x-coordinate or abscissa, or the distance of a point from the x-axis is called its y-coordinate or ordinates. Again, I am clear your doubts related to abscissa and ordinates, right? So if I draw one Cartesian plane, clear? This is your x-axis, this is your y-axis. We have seen the point of intersection of origin, that is O, that will be 0, 0. Now if I mention the point, here is 1, you know, on the right side x-axis all are plus 3, 4, 5, 6. On the left side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 1. On upper side it will be plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These all concepts you know, right? So what up to this, what we have decided, this is your Cartesian plane. The horizontal line is called x-axis, the vertical line is called y-axis. The point of intersection of these two lines is called origin. It is called origin, right? Now, these two axes means horizontal line and vertical line, means x-axis and y-axis, divide the entire plane into 4 parts. These 4 parts are called quadrants. Remember, you will start always from here, right? And anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And this is called quadrants. What we have done? What we call this? This is quadrant. Quadrant 1, this is quadrant 2, this is quadrant 3, this is quadrant 4. Right? Now, what we understood next, the point, if I mention one point is here, right? So, what will be this point? So, distance from y-axis, this is your y-axis. So, distance of a point from y-axis to x-axis. So, this point is your 5, and this distance, it will be 3. The distance of a point from y-axis to x-axis, that is called your abscissa. So this is called abscissa, and this is called ordinate. This is called ordinate. So if I will ask the questions like this, what will I ask? The abscissa of a point -3, 4 is blank. I will ask a question like this. So what is the abscissa of this point? Abscissa means x coordinate, so it will be minus. If I ask a blank like this, the ordinate of a point 3, 5 is, so what is your answer? This is called your ordinate, so answer is 5. So this type of questions will be asked in exam also, right? Now write 2 more notes. The point, the coordinates of the origin is 0, 0. The ordinates of the origin is 0, 0. Origin के coordinates क्या होते हैं? 0, 0. Right? Now one more thing for quadrant 1. See, here all the plus numbers are there. Here also all the plus numbers are there. So in quadrant 1, all the plus number will come. If your first number is plus, your second number is plus, it will come in quadrant 1. In quadrant 2, this is your x and this is your y. Here your x-axis is minus, your y-axis is plus. So in quadrant 2, minus on x-axis, plus on y-axis. Here your x is minus, y is minus. So this is x, this is y, both are minus. And in quadrant 4, your x is plus, but your y is minus. So this type of points will come in this quadrant, right? If I ask a question like 5, 5 will come in dash quadrant. So how will you give answer? Here 5, 5 means both are plus. This is plus, this is plus. So this will come in quadrant 1. If I give -5 plus 5, so it will come minus here, plus here. So it will come in second quadrant. If I give -5 minus 5, so you will write answer, it will be coming third quadrant. If I give +5 minus 5, so it will come in fourth quadrant. Right? So write down one more. Quadrant 1. Here you can write like this. Quadrant 2. Minus plus. Quadrant 3. Both are minus. And quadrant 4. that will be plus minus, right? So this way you can write. So in your notes, write down these 5 points. Clear? Now we are moving on example 1 of this chapter. Exercise 5.1, it is based on practical, so we cannot do it in a school, or I cannot explain you in on board. So we will omit the exercise 3.1. So you no need to do this exercise because it is on practical basis. So we will start directly with the example 1. Right? Now example 1. One figure is given. First of all, one figure is given. So I will draw that figure, and based on this figure you have to answer. This is your x-axis, this is your y-axis. And here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. -1, -2, -3, -4, -1. So here the figure is like this. This is point B. 1, -3 and 4. This is M. -5 and 4. This is L and S. This is Y dash Y X. Right? So this figure is given, and based on this figure we have to answer. Now your first blank, the axes are and the coordinate of the point, and the coordinate of the point B are dash and dash respectively. Hence coordinates of B are, so this is your first bracket, right? So here I will, what I have given you, what is axis are? Point B. Here point B. Axis is point on x-axis is called your axis. So B on x-axis, what is it? It is 4. And ordinate on y-axis, that will be 3. So what are your coordinate? Coordinate means x-axis and y-axis. So 4 and here 3. So this will be your first answer. The second one, the x coordinate and y coordinate of point M are, the x coordinate and y coordinate of the point M are dash and dash. Hence the coordinates of M, hence the coordinates coordinate of M are right. This way your question is given, right? So the x coordinate and y coordinate of the point M x coordinate, M is on x axis -3. So here -3. M is on y axis is 4. So coordinate will be -3 and 4. Right? So this way you can give the answer. Right? Now plate 3. Now I am not writing question. You can write a question from your textbook. The x coordinate and y coordinate of the point L. L on x, first blank answer is -5. On y, this will be -4. And the final answer is -5, -4. The x coordinate and y coordinate of the point S. Point S, x coordinate is 3, y coordinate is -4, and the coordinates, that will be 3 and -4. So this way you can do the entire example 1. We will solve the next example and next exercise into next video. Thank you. I hope you understand the question. For this chapter is very simple, but before that you need to understand the notes. You need to write down all the notes from into your fair book. I will check when the school will start, and after that notes, first of all revise over the notes, understand the entire concept, and then write the example 1. I hope you will like the videos. Please like, share and comments, good comments, right? And subscribe. Thank you friends.